It's a little bit of both, but we're just not really seeing anyone step up to buy anything right now. There's no real reason to. With all the uncertainty that's going on, it's clearly better to wait and see what happens down the line. Really, there's more safe haven play going on right now. You're seeing gold here, see a little bit of a rally. Bonds are rallying. You're saying utilities are strong. So really, everyone's kind of getting defensive right now and just, moving their portfolio around, going into a long weekend on top of it.
No reason to buy, Tim, says Matt. And do you expect that, do you agree, number one, and do you expect that condition may persist for a matter of not just weeks, but maybe months?
Well, I certainly think that into next week, the market's going to be very uneasy. Not only do we have a lot of uncertainty over not just the outcome of trade talks with China, but the timetable for those talks to take place. And then I think we also have that spreading into other areas of the market with some issues in some big sell-offs and some big tech names today. Qualcomm's given back a big chunk of its gains post the Apple settlement. NTAP is down close to 15%. The oil stocks are getting hit. West Texas went through 60 on the downside very easily. Oil service names are down about 7%. So when you get tech and oil service both having large declines, it's just hard for the market to stabilize.
What are you guys going to be watching into the close, Matt?
I'm going to watch to see if we can get any kind of rally at all. We're trending toward the lows here at the end of the day. As I mentioned, we're going into a long weekend. People are just bailing out right now. So if we can't firm up here, this market could move a little bit lower. We've got a big volume day on Tuesday in the small cap sector. So there's a lot of portfolio adjustments that may occur going into that. So we need to find some kind of stability.
Tim, same question. What are you going to be watching?
Well, I'm certainly going to be watching the 2,800 level on the S&P 500 because that was a level that we held on an intraday basis about 10 days ago. And that right now is clearly the near-term support level a lot of people are going to be looking at.
What about the NASDAQ, Tim?
Well, the NASDAQ clearly is got to deal with this issue that a lot of high-profile NASDAQ names are going to have a hard time sorting out their supply business that they used to do with Huawei, which is a huge global company, and now a lot of that seems to be interrupted. Clearly, the semiconductor stocks got hit hard on that earlier in the week, and we're seeing that spread over into some of the other names right now.